Hey guys, meet with me again, David Josade, and today I'm going to show you how I fix my problem. The first is my computer cannot read the MIDI controller, and the second is the MIDI controller and the computer have a delay issue. Let's go. Okay, first thing first, for my subscriber from Indonesia, today's video is special because there are so much people in the world that have the same problem like me. So I'm going to use English because today I'm going to use English because I want all people understand what I'm talking about. Okay? Ya, jadi kalian jangan takut ya, kalian pasti ngerti juga. Saya yakin bahasa Inggris kalian bagus juga. Okay, the first is I'm going to show you how I fix my MIDI controller, why my computer cannot read my MIDI controller. Okay, this is my MIDI controller. I put here. Oh, okay, wait for a moment. I'm going to turn on my OBS. I want to screen recording this. Okay. Okay, guys, this is my MIDI close. So for you who use this, you might have the same problem with me. Okay, this is my MIDI close, and I'm going to connect my MIDI with my computer. Okay, this is Novation Launch Key 61, and this is the cable. Okay, I use this cable. I'm going to attach this to my computer, and you can see I attach this to my CPU. Yeah, oh, you cannot see the CPU here the CPU. I attach this, and you can see the color is appear. The button has full color, but if this what you like, it means the MIDI don't connect with the computer. The MIDI doesn't connect with the computer. Yeah, look, see, it's not connecting. Okay, but if I press this with my mouse, it's connect. Okay, it's not working. What is the problem, man? What is the problem? Okay, the problem for me is very easy. The problem is the cable. So if you have the same problem with me and the problem is like this, the problem is the cable. Okay, look, I don't know what happened to my cable. I thought it's same like others, but it's not working. So I use this cable. Okay, this is not working. I use this cable. I change my apa namanya itu? Ya itulah. Change my cable with here. Put this. As usual, there's nothing wrong with your computer. There's nothing wrong. Your computer is fine. The problem is the cable. Look. And it's work like magic. See? If the color is appear and then disappear, it means it's work. Look. Nah, see? The first time I use this cable, it's not working. I install ASIO, I install everything in the computer and nothing work. But when I change the cable, it's work. I don't know. This is 2.0 or this is 3.0. I don't know. Yeah. So perhaps if you have the same problem with me, the problem is the cable. First. The second is, oh my god, it's not recording. Oh my god. Okay, now it's recording. I'm sorry. The second is the problem is the delay. Look. If you look closely, it's delay. Look, delay ya. Okay, now how I fix the delay. Okay, what happened to the MIDI close? Nothing, I don't know what happened to the MIDI close. I already sent the email to customer service, but no response. Some of you have the same problem with me, that no response from the customer service. Although I buy the MIDI close. This is not the free version, yeah. This is the red version. Okay. How I fix the delay? It's very simple. No cost at all. If the cable you have to purchase. For the delay, it's very simple. Oh, why I take out my cable? I'm so excited, guys. I know all of you who found this video must be excited too. Okay, how I fix the delay? It's very simple, guys. What you have to do is change the VST. Look here, yeah. This is, I use the sound from the MIDI close. Delay. But if you change, I download Spitfire. Oh, cannot read apa? Cannot see, ya. Wait. How I fix the delay? How I fix it is I change the VST. Look, if you want to change the VST, you can go here. And then you can download VST. What I'm doing is I'm download Spitfire. I was download Spitfire. Spitfire Labs. This is a free virtual instrument and the sound is good. Okay. And you can find it here. Download, yeah, piano, guitar, string, everything you can find here. The sound is not bad. Okay, look. And then after download, after install, I scan VST. I know you can install. I don't have to show you how to install. I found two, and then I use VST. I use Spitfire. Okay, this is the look, the display. Now let's see the magic happen. No delay at all. Yeah, no delay at all. See? No delay at all. But the sound is too soft. I changed it with Sound Magic 1 EQ. This is free also, yeah. I use Windows 10. Oh, where I put it? Okay, piano. Okay, this one. No delay. But if you use the sound from MIDI close, delay. See, I don't know what happened, but it's delay. But if you use from other VST, it's not delay. So guys, that's how I fix the problem. All you need is change the cable and download free VST for your MIDI close, and then the magic is happen. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below, and if you still don't understand, I hope I can help you. So leave a comment below. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Stay just in gospel. God bless. Oke kawan-kawan, thank you buat kalian yang sudah nonton. Kalian bisa subscribe, like, dan kalian bisa share ke teman-teman kalian yang membutuhkan. Kalian bisa juga lihat video-video lain untuk membantu perkembangan musik kalian. Buat kalian yang ingin kaos keren ini, kalian bisa langsung cek Tokopedia Justin Gospel. Dan buat kalian yang ingin gabung di lessonrihan.com, kalian bisa langsung cek ke sini. Buat kalian yang baru pertama kali gabung, kalian akan langsung dapat free lesson dari saya. Nah, buat kalian juga yang ingin gabung di grup Discord kita, kalian bisa langsung cek link deskripsinya di bawah. kalian bisa bertemu dengan teman-teman kita yang ada di sana. Oke guys, sampai jumpa di next video. Tetap semangat belajar. Stay just and God bless.